Hi everyone, welcome to my lesson 5, which is install Eclipse IDE. There are a couple of steps we will do before installing. We'll uninstall Eclipse IDE if you have any version of Eclipse on your system. Then we'll download and install Eclipse IDE. We'll open Eclipse IDE and then we'll create a new Java project and run the program which is called Hello World and see how the code is. So let's go to control panel first. So you can type control panel, and when you go to control, let's go to uninstall a program. Now let's search Eclipse here, since I see that I don't have anything, right? So I don't need to uninstall anything, but if you see any instance of Eclipse in your control panel, make sure you uninstall. Now let's go and download Eclipse, and let's go to eclipse.org, and here is download 64-bit. Depending upon what computer you have, what type of computer you have, you should download that version. So I have 64-bit, so I'm going to do that. So download, it's going to download the exe. So once this download is complete, you can double click on it and run. So I am going to use the Eclipse IDE for Java developers and install. Accept the agreement. So if you have this checked, it's going to create a desktop shortcut. It's going to be easy for you. You can access it through desktop. So if you don't want it, then just uncheck it. So now it's saying, do you want to trust the certificate? I'm going to say yes. Both. And I think it's done now. Launch. So clicking on launch, it's going to open the IDE. Okay, so this is the screen you're going to see once you choose a blank workspace. This is the welcome screen, and when I cross it, you will see that it has certain windows automatically there. So right now we'll not go through it. We'll just create a new Java project, which is the next part of the session. If you don't see these options, you will search Java project and give it a name, Hello World, because we're going to write the Hello World function in it. Create discourage module name by convention. Usually starts with a lower name. Don't create. So I'm just creating this project with the source folder as empty. Now we are going to make a package, because it is good to store all the functions in, or whatever programs you're creating, in a particular sub package. So let's create a new package under source, right? So let's right click, new, and package. So you can make it the way you want. It can be something like com dot hands on QA dot demo, right? And then we finish it. So this is a new package name. You will see it as soon as you click on finish. Next step is to create a class. So you create a new Java class. Let's give this class a name because we are going to do it in the same package. Make sure this package name is correct, and then the name of the class will be Hello World. Now we can say that we want public static void main. We'll go into what is public static void main for sure. Now this is the first class. If you see, the package name is added by default. Now let's type system dot. Now once you press dot, you will see all the functions you can use after system. System dot out dot print ln and double quotes hello world. And every statement in Java ends with a semicolon. So this is our first program. Let's run this program, and if you see, it has printed hello world. Whatever I write inside this double quotes, it's going to just print directly. For saving, either I can click on this floppy signs, or I can do Control S, whatever I'm comfortable with, and I can run this program from here. If you don't see this console window, you will see it from window, show view and console. If you see it, it's good. So all the things you are going to write in system.out.println, it's going to print in the console. Thank you so much. See you next time.